So I'm a certified financial planner. I've been doing financial planning for 13 years, worked with thousands of people, talked to tens of thousands of people about money. But what I've learned throughout all of that is it doesn't matter how solid your budget is, your investment portfolio is, your financial plan is, if you don't have the right mindset to match it, one, it's not gonna work long term, or two, you'll get all those things but still feel unsatisfied, still feel worried or stressed or anxious with money. And to me, that's not what financial success is. We really like to teach wealth, and wealth means different things for different people.
And that's something we talk about a lot here is that set the foundation for the life you want to have while you're having the life you want to have, if that makes sense. And to be able to set a foundation for a future life you'd like to have and to enjoy your life today while you're doing that is amazing. Right? And that's kind of the life entrepreneurs kind of want to set themselves up to have. Right. Doing what they love, getting paid for it, setting a foundation so that when they want to settle down, they can. You build this international network because you make it sound so easy. And that's just something that it takes some time to piece together. How did you do that?
Did you have any butterflies when you first started, or do you just jump in full force and say, let's do it?
Okay, so my true international network happened from a jump in and let's do it sort of move. When the company that I was with, they were talking about global expansion and they mentioned expanding to Australia or the UK soon. And I was like, oh wow, I've always wanted to teach overseas, and it was a goal of mine as an educator, and I knew I was about to roll out of the education field, and I was like, okay, it's do or die, do it now. And just one of those internet searches, found an agency, they called me to set up an interview. I almost flaked out. And someone real close to me was like, no, go for it. Just do it. And I did the interview and literally had a month between my interview to pack up my life and move to England.
Wow. And you just did it.
And I did it. And I did it. And there is where I really live in overseas and in Europe, especially in London, you naturally have a global network of people.
What is the best advice you can give a young person who wants to get on this journey of becoming an entrepreneur? What is the best advice you could give them?
Just go for it. That's my best advice. Is like the reason why I'm even here today is the more you fail, the closer you're getting to succeeding.
Exactly.
Like,
yes.
Just a little bit of background on me. Like I come from a background of accounting. So that's actually like my being comfortable. I could easily stick and do that. But especially in the Nigerian community, you have to either be a lawyer, doctor, or an accountant. So those are the options.
Those are the three.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So me jumping into the music industry organically happened because I was always in the suit. I got here by just trying out different things. I didn't know anything in the music industry. I just went for it. Kept learning, reading, and just had to figure it out. I'll just say, just experience, just keep failing, and go for it.
That feeling of uncomfortability, because he was talking about fear, and fear, you're uncomfortable. And I think what the audience should understand is that you have to get comfortable with being uncomfortable because it's ongoing. It never stops. You're going to be uncomfortable at every point. And so if you start to feel comfortable where you are, you need to get up and start moving because that means that you're stagnating.
Right. You need to surround yourself with people that are on your level or higher, ideally.
That will pull you up to where they are.
Right. And not pull you back.
Pull you back.
Say like, well, why are you working so much? Or, how come you never hang out with me? Like, there's a lot of like whiners and crybabies that you'll run into.
Yes.
And it's like, yes, for sure. You need time to decompress. You need to relax. You need to do this. You need to do that. But I mean, like, don't impede on my flow. Like, this is like the pace I'm trying to move at because I know like time is the most precious commodity that we have.
That's right.